for our dribbling, ball manipulation muna yung focus natin. The goal lang natin is ma-improve natin pag-manipulate niya sa bola. First na gagawin natin, ipoprogress niya from this position, itadrop niya lang yung bola, and as soon as mag-bounce, hindi niya nahayaan mag-second bounce, i-manipulate niya yung bola going to his pocket na.
Red. Straight to pocket, after non-cross. Okay, tas reset lang. Pocket, exaggerate nyo na yung pocket ball. Nice one. This time, gagawin natin siya alternating. Same pa rin. Bounce, pocket, cross. This time, kabilang side naman. So, bounce, pocket, cross. Bali 10 times, both sides. Yan. Angelo. Huwag mo kagad straight sa cross. Yan. Pakit mo, hindi mo masyado napapakit. Let's cross. This time, instead na cross, through naman tayo. So, bounce, pocket, then through. Bounce, pocket, through. Bounce, pocket, then behind. Bounce, pocket, then behind. Bounce, pocket, behind. Bounce, pocket. Ball manipulation pa rin tayo. Gagawin nyo lang, hold nyo lang to, straight. Squeeze nyo yung med ball. Then at the same time, ball manipulation, pound over lang tayo. Pound over. Straight arms. This time, mag-a-add tayo ng through, pound, over. So, pagka-over natin, balik ulit dito. Slam, pound, then through, grab, then ulit lang. Pound, over, slam, through, grab, then pound, over. Grab. Side. Pound, over, slam. So this time, instead na 1 pound over lang, gagawin natin siyang dalawa. So, pound, over, sa pangalawa, doon na natin i-slam. Pound, over, slam, through, grab, then kabila.
Okay, ball separation naman ang tawag dito, pero may kinalaman pa rin ito sa pagmili ng bola. So, ang combo lang natin, cross, through, ito na yung the ball. Tap, then ulit mo lang. Ayun. Tap, then tap the ball. Don't move,
Both sides? Okay. Next, ball separation tayo. Pero yung ball separation, part pa rin siya ng ball manipulation. Kasi yung gagawin natin, kapag ginawa natin yung move, isi-separate natin yung kamay natin sa bola. Cross, tapos through. After ng through, dito na magsisimula yung ball separation. Through, ball separation. Kung makikita nyo yun, ayun, binibitawan ko. Then after ng ball separation, ikakap nyo yung bola. Separation, cap, then cross. Ganito na siya. Through, then cross muna. Dito start. Cross, through. Pag nag-separate nyo, ayun o, boom. Boom. Yung ball separation. Tsaka ako siya kinukuha. Open stance tayo. Yung bola sa left hand, ang gagawin natin, partial through. Step, then through. Tawag yung partial through. Then cross. Pound, pound, partial through, float, then reset step.
Nice one. Yellow, after the ball, ayun, ginagawa.
Wide mo. So, wag kang step dito. Slow down ko lang. Float, float. After ng partial through, reset, float. This time, mag tayo ng turn, then cross.
So, meaning, hindi ka pa ganun po 100% control. So,
Napupunta yung partial step mo dito. So, dito dapat. Wide pa rin. Ang difference ni floating speed stop kay speed stop, di ba si speed stop merong pound. Tawag dito, speed stop. Kaya siya tinawag na floating speed stop kasi yung bola naka-float siya habang nag-speed stop tayo. So pagka-cross nyo, cross, then speed stop. Turn, then cross, floating speed stop. O dapat, ang ginawa mo, nagkaiba ni speed stop, dapat ito, unahin mo. After ng turn, partial through, then cross, floating speed stop. So this time mag-add tayo ng accountability. So ang purpose nito, bakit namin ito nilagay, okay, para mas enhance natin yung cross nyo. Kasi nakikita namin, pag nagko-cross kayo, masyadong mataas yung cross nyo. Purpose yan, para kayo, mapilitan kayo i-cross nyo siya ng mas mababa. Partial through, turn, partial through, let cross, then floating speed stop. Tapos, floating. Yan. Sabay ka ito siya. Ito. Ayun. Yan.
Mag-start kayo dito, drop nyo lang yung bola. Tunas mag-bounce yung bola, avoid nyo yung second bounce. Then yung ginawa nating dribbling warm-up kanina, manipulate nyo yung bola going to your pocket kasabay ng split. You have to pass under netong limbo stick natin. Ang purpose lang natin, ma-lower natin shoulder natin papunta sa tira natin. They will ask you guys to tap this box. Which, para sa naman tong box? For delay pickup. Bakit natin kinakailangan mag-delay pickup? Para more threat and fluidity into your shot. Kasi kapag nakita nyo sila KD, di ba? Without this plyo box, madalas nyo nakikita yung mga magagaling sila, Devin Booker, nag-hesi sila. So para ma-enhance natin yon, I will ask you guys to tap this box. So from this position, drop, manipulate the ball to your pocket, go under, then tap into your shot, bang, bang.
Konti pa, pero delay mo pa, Aldrich. Yun! So pagka go dito. Yeah.